Gentry doesn't like Mama getting too close after she cleans. Tell her, Gentry. Give her the business. Give her the business. Say, you stop cleaning my nose, Mom. You stop cleaning my nose. You don't mind it when Daddy gets close, do you? No, you don't. Here, you video camera. You don't mind it when Daddy gets close? Oh, you do now. You do. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Are you just talking? Are you just talking? Yeah. Oh, that's such a good girl. Yeah. Oh my, little girl. It's about time for bed, huh? Should we put your jammies on you? Yeah, should we? Oh, do you like that? Yeah. Do you like that? Yeah, you like that? Yeah, you're silly. You're a silly girl, aren't you? You got your hiccup up? Huh? Oh my. Alright, Mama.